This is the woman that they whisper about. Becca's poor. Not afraid to come to face the man that will stop your breathing. Have you signed your death wish?
This is how men like you sounds before the echoes of their voice bounces. I applaud the ignorance you are exhibiting with so much confidence.
Fate is sorted by Rebecca by sending you here to come and face me. Huh? Instead of facing me energy to energy, aura to aura, leader to leader, she sent you her dog to come and do her work. I feel intrigued with this. Remove that your mask. Let me see the faceless of the fool that is challenging me.
You don't have to bother yourself about my mask. You should be bothered about the shadow that comes after the mask.
Stop, bruh. I own the sound. I own the earth and everything that covers it. I own this place. Everything belongs to me.
Men who died, that was buried on this ground, once sounded like you till they are buried.
Hello, Viper. What is going on? Listen, I need you guys to be at the location immediately. I don't have time to waste. Right now. Yes.
Samuel.
Boss! Boss! Boss, you're alive. I already called for reinforcements to come rescue you.
I am Dumbi the dog dada. What do you think will happen to me? I am Dumbi. What can you go to do with Iheme? I do not try. I let the jungle decide who is missing. The man that decides who gets missing, while others pray for it. What could possibly harm me? Nothing.
Boss, I'm really sorry. I do not consider you weak. Boss, you know I'm ready to catch a bullet for you.
Yes, you're ready to catch a bullet for me. But somehow, you took to your heels when you had the first chance. You ran away like a small chicken.
Boss, I called for reinforcement, boss. You know I can't put my life before yours, boss. You're very important to me and it's my duty to make sure that you are safe and sound, boss.
Wow. We've been attacked.
What?
Yes, that's the famous queen of the mask I've been hearing about. People say she's dangerous and ruthless. She's the leader of the Serpent Sisters. The question is, why is the queen of the mask coming for me?
Boss, I don't understand what is going on. We do not have any affiliation or peace treaty with them, so why would they want to harm you, boss?
That could be a reasonable explanation. But the smile on her face when she was pressing that gun on me gives me a creepy vibe that this must be a personal vendetta.
Personal vendetta, boss. But we do not have any issue with them in the past or business, boss. So what is going on, boss?
That is why you stop asking questions and find out who the lady is and why she is hunting for my head.
Noted, boss. Hello, Viper. Listen, I need you guys right now. Okay? Alright.
How did it go? Is it done?
Mother, I was close. I applied all the tactics. At the point of final execution, he vanished, leaving lightning, wind, and thunder. The truth is, Donatus is no longer the man I used to know.
So are you. You are no longer that lovesick girl. who is ready to give everything and was later discarded like a piece of a vessel. You are now the queen of the mask, the most ruthless and deadliest.
Mother, the man I saw today will not be easy to be dealt with.
Do not let your heart fail you. We fight fire with fire, spirit with spirit. So, the rumors are true?
What rumors?
It was said that Dombras got his powers from sucking the breast of a goddess. Her milk empowers him, strengthens him, and makes him move like the ants.
That means he has lost everything that makes him a man.
Dombra thinks himself a god. He believes he is immortal. But every human being, as long as you were born from a woman and has a blood running through your veins, have a weakness. And that weakness is what will be revealed at the right time. So, you all must be observant.
So, Mother, what do we do?
Very simple. We have to strike again, not to give him time to reinforce. Because when you're dealing with a snake like Dombra, lying low will be inviting him to kill us while we sleep. We must be focused.
There is trouble in the streets. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the streets. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood. Too much to bite. Everybody fighting to survive in the street.
Greetings, boss.
According to the wars on the streets, the serpent leader is buying rivals and not killing them.
But boss, why did they attempt to kill you?
Because they know that I cannot be bought. Serpent leader was on the street before I became the mob leader. So they know what I can do.
So she makes move before you do.
At first, that's the big mistake. Because I am the dumb dada. I am Dombra, the kinkin in Achigwanas. The current in the wire cuts me out, the light goes off.
Now I understand, boss. Serpent sisters coming after us could be about territorial claim.
Yes, according to the wars on the streets. Somewhere, a silence is not something that should be mistaken for sleep. And my access should not be mistaken for equality. Take this word to them. I hope they heed to my warning. Because I'm not the type they will want to make their enemy.
As we already know, we are at war. There will be no peace And we cannot sleep in peace until we take Dombra and his cartel down. We have stepped on the tail of a tiger and allowed him to go in peace. So, we must take Dombra and his cartel down. Else, he will retaliate and it will be fatal.
Boss, we have never been at war with anybody. All territories we have, we claimed them somehow and we buy them off. You said it yourself, that more money is made with peace on the streets than war.
I know what I said, but when one of us is restless and betrayed, it is a fight for all of us to address this insult and get justice.
Is this about revenge? Whose story is this?
It's my story. It's about me. It's my fight. And I can totally understand if you all don't see the need to join me in this fight. But the truth is, there will be cartel and territory to take over. So when that is done, what is going to happen?
Stop asking questions, girls, and fall in line. Bibiana, this is for you. Are you with us?
Yes, mother.
If you still have lingering love or feeling for the enemy, this is the time to back out. If not, when we start, there will be no going back. We fight till death. It's either him or us till death.
Mother, I have no iota of feeling for that heartless monster. The only feelings inside me right now is feelings for revenge. I need to pay him for all the atrocities he has caused. Previously, I thought we were both victims. I realized that Dombra, Donatus. Thank you so much, Alan. That was a very hard job to do. It was very hard to catch. It felt like he left the surface of the earth. I'm glad to be of help, sis. I said we'll take him out now, or we may never get a chance.
Boss, she's right. Today is your day. Today, we avenge you.
It's like he's making up. Hold on. I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
What's this, sis?
Our target is just a boy to the main devil.
Are you having a second thought?
We have to re-strategize. Let him go. This can happen now. Take a different route. Start the car.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood. Too much to bite.
I thought I could give his death justice. I lived all night awake, yearning for justice for whoever that wants to kill both of us. Little did I know that the person I was trying to protect from the bullet is the same person behind the trigger. Donatus betrayed me. I thought I was fighting our enemies who are out to destroy us. It hurts. It hurts deeply, more like a sharp poison blade that pierced through the heart. I'm pained. I feel used. I feel betrayed. Mother, I want us to end this fight now. He can't go scot-free. Never.
Like you have seen, Dumpers is not a small fly. I have tried to make peace in the street, but I'm breaking it to take this fight.
No, Mother. This is my fight. I'll kill him myself. Let me do this.
I feel your pain, my daughter. I feel your anger as well. But one thing I want you to know is obsession is blinding, and pride is an expensive mistake.
Mother, what are you insinuating? I should just let go? I should let him go scot-free? Is that what you're saying?
No, not at all. If Dambra realizes you survived, you cannot be safe. You will do everything possible to make sure he wipe you from the face of the earth. So, you will have to take him down before he does same. But you need me and the sisters to achieve that. We are going to avenge the injustice done to you. Are we all ready? Dumbra, welcome to broad daylight.
Isn't that your style? Don't blame me. I'm just trying to reciprocate the gesture.
It is not your style to dialogue when your life has been threatened.
Yes, you're right. I shoot before asking questions.
We don't kill the ones who already admit defeat. This is a day your man should be grateful that I spared his life. Dumbra, have you seen how prepared we are for this war? No retreat, no surrender. Dumbra, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'll be waiting for your clap back, and better make it worth my weight.
I don't need a kingmaker, because I know I can make myself the king. which is not given in the streets. Empty drums makes the loudest noise. This is just the beginning. Don't be too cocky, because you are not the last one standing. Hello, my brother. What is going on now? I just confirmed the payment right now. You paid 22 instead of 46. What is going on? No. Don't tell my friend. Keep that your money. We are talking money. You're greeting money. What do you mean? Pay the complete money. Do the complete payment. That's what I need. 46 million. Yes. Do it. Don't do this. Yeah, listen. If you continue doing like this, I'll stop giving you consignments. No, trust me. Serious. No, don't beg me. Why are you begging me? Do the needful, bro. Please, off here. What's that?
You called for my attention, Don. Now you have it.
So you send the Queen of Mars after me. What is it about?
And you asked with a gunshot?
Isn't it the way we are doing it? Just the way you show me that we are not cool with gunshots. Listen, you did a lot on the street. You tried your best to make peace on the street. So, why did you break the treaty? And what have I done for you to come after me?
Dumbra, you seem to be forgetting one thing here. That you are about to pay for the sin of the past. Remember, every action has consequences. In case you have forgotten, I have always been powerful before your name mattered.
Well, in the street, they used to say, I get up before no be property. See, kings don't rule forever. Okay, and the crown always here for new heads. Maybe it's time for new heads to rule the streets. Yes. Rebecca, it's time for retirement.
And you, Dumbra, is the one to retire me? You are too smart to forget this. Dumbra, never underestimate your opponents, no matter what.
You should be wise enough to advise yourself and you to eat. Vanish away from my house the way you vanished in. You are never invited. Access does not make us equals.
I should be the one saying that, considering the fact that I am the queen of these streets.
Well, pawns argue. Why kings wait? Rebecca, I will respond to you with a kind.
Here comes Dumbra. Dumbra.
Ah, dear. So, what are you saying again? I'm expecting a transaction. Do it immediately. Yeah, do that.
Mother, why are you giving all this to me? Other girls have stayed here longer than myself. Why me?
I want you to have all this. In case if anything happens to me, I want to fall into the deep permanent sleep, knowing that the business and the girls are in safe hands.
Mother, nothing will happen to you. You are very powerful and healthy.
Have you ever wondered why I adopted you? My marriage failed because I was unable to conceive. I was considered inadequate and weak. until I built this business. I was feared as the biggest jewelry robber. I ruled the street and I became a great woman until I met you. My life changed completely and became complete because I see a daughter in you. You are very loyal and you are ready to give everything you have for the ones you love, which was a rare quality. And I know I can leave everything I have in your hands, knowing that at the right time, you will give it to the ones you love.
You've already done enough, Mother. You picked me from the street and gave me the life I never imagined in my wildest dream. What more can I ask for? But the truth is, I do not deserve this. Others have been here before me.
Hush. Don't say that. Who else will I leave all this for? If not the one I call my daughter. I want to end Don Bra's existence. Every mother will do whatever it takes to make sure their child is safe.
You don't have to bother yourself about Don Bra. I will personally kill him. I promise.
As your mother, your fight automatically becomes mine. Will you allow me to end this war so that you will have peace in order to preserve everything I have worked hard for? Will you trust me and wait? That is the question.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood.
What is going on? Is everything okay with you?
I have been waiting patiently, faithfully, for the day the boss will finally acknowledge me and make me her heiress. I have served longest beside her, and I have been loyal to her and to this sisterhood.
Okay, so what makes you think you cannot be a heiress?
I just watch her. She handed everything to her. She handed the business to Bibiana. Do you guys know that? She adopted her and made her her legal daughter.
This matter is too complicated to discuss. Can we change topic?
No. No, you know, I am the one being pained. I am the one being betrayed. Bibiana was the last person to join this camp. And now she's about to become our leader, my leader, and give me instruction expecting me to carry it. This is unfair.
Okay, fine. It is unfair, but there's a boss's decision, darling. We can't discuss it. Do you understand?
Jesus Christ. When I found her in the pool of her own blood 3 years ago, I should have shot her by myself and asked questions later. But I was so stupid. I was so stupid that I called for boss's attention. and headed for her rescue. And now, I regret everything. I regret everything because she is standing on the path of everything that I ever wanted.
Can you take a deep breath?
Just feel like...
Can you take a deep breath? Listen, Kate, let it go. Better for you.
Sis, may I tell you the truth, eh? Jacqueline is right. You have to let it go. You see that voice of the devil speaking inside your mind? Ignore it. For your own good.
Welcome, daughters and sisters. The hour has come to be bonded. In the face of a formidable enemy and new war in the horizon, our faith and power will be tested. But only the power we rely on will keep us safe and together. Each and every one of you will hold this weapon of truth and justice and declare your loyalty to the sisterhood and to Bibiana, who will lead the sisterhood after me.
I, Bibiana Rebecca, I swear by this oath that as the leader of the Serpent Sisters, I will lead with love, unity, and transparency. I'll protect my sisters and I'll protect everything that we have. I swear with my life.
I, Jacqueline Morris, I swear to the sovereignty and unwavering loyalty to the sisterhood and to Bibiana, the Queen of Mask.
I, Ellen Jack, swear my loyalty to the sisterhood and to her next leader, Bibiana, the Queen of Mask. I, Kate, Obinna Chuk Sylvester, solemnly swear.
So, this is official. I am now under the command of the Mask Queen. It is my worst reality.
Well, you have no choice. You have to accept it. The boss knows the best.
I understand Kate's feeling. She's the oldest member of the gang and boss' right hand. We don't expect her to bow down to a newbie.
That newbie won the hearts of the boss and became the most popular and dangerous mob in the street. She earned her street credibility, and that put her in a good position for a second leader.
So what are you insinuating? What are you insinuating? Oh, you do not think I am deserving? Eh? I have served the sisterhood with all honesty and royalty. I have risked my fucking life for the sisterhood. And if you want to speak the truth, you will know that I am better. I should be the next leader and not Bibiana.
Not a shout for me, Shao.
Are you trying to say we should be a traitor and fight the boss and our decision? I am saying that we should fight for justice. This is my fight. My fight for what is right. And I am telling you people now that I will stop at nothing. In one way or the other, I will take her down and reclaim what is rightfully mine.
If this discussion is about conspiracy, I'm not cut out for it. Count me out.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble.
This is not going to be easy.
How dare you? How dare you allow the Queen of the Mass to take over my shipment? How dare you give Queen of the Mass access to my warehouse? Now all my shipment is gone. Everything is burned down. My business, my shipment, worth of billions.
I'm sorry, boss. I have my men guiding and watching the place. There's no way she could have infiltrated. I'm really sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. You must be useless. The damage is already done. Better get out from there and go fix that thing before I kill you slowly. Can you imagine? Rubbish. Oh shit. Shit.
Don't brag. You are a dangerous man. Don't brag. Ojo bara kwake. Don't brag. Echira kwama. Enyo chare. There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood. Too much to bite. Everybody fighting, fighting to survive in the street. Guys, se pasa nombre. Ochi ya de rafanese. Icho dare nyagia. Icho do fenyagia. Who will be the next to fight?
What is the member of the Great Serpent Sister attending in my home? Immediate wish.
I know the risks of coming here today. But what I desire is far greater than the risk of dying today.
Speak. What do you want?
The throne of the serpent sister. And I know you will help me to achieve it.
And why will I do that?
Because I know you want to take them down. Taking my leader down will make you the king of the streets. But I do not want to rule the streets. I just want the sisterhood. And I promise you, I will be your pawn. I will deliver her to you and everything that make her a leader for you to bring her down.
And if you don't do your own bargain, as promised, you die by my hands. Agreed?
Yes. I will die by your hands. But you must bring her down and make me the next leader.
You have to wait for us to take her down first before making you the next leader.
No, I disagree. swear alleged to me that you will make me the next leader. Vacancy or no vacancy, you will crown me the queen. And I will deliver her to you. Everything that she knows, everything that make her a leader, I will deliver her to you.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood.
They never tell or warn their children about me. The current in the wire. Do you see that, Sama? Whatever I want comes to me.
Boss, do you trust her? She could be trying to play on us or lead us into a trap. Just because she's leading us does not mean we have to follow her blindly. Boss, we have to be on alert. Always.
Sama, let it be so. Make sure you monitor her. Follow her, make sure she delivers as she promised. They don't know how to take care of their home and they want to destroy mine. Never.
Boss, how's the transactions going?
Follow her up.
Brotherhood is fighting, sisters.
Boss, all right.
Yes.
I think we're really on the right track.
Sure.
Here comes Dumbra. 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 Dumbra.
You looking for this? Huh?
How did you get my totem? And who gave it to you?
The poster should be, what am I going to do with it? Not worrying about her get it. You forget that every market day is a risk. I, Dumbra, the only one that doesn't need to roam for the jungle to notice who is missing. I am going to retire you today, Rebecca, and take over your crown today.
Dumbra, you are a coward. You should have fought me with your own power, not to use mine to win.
Why is not the bravest that wins the fight? No matter how I win, a win is a win. I shall end you today. I shall take away anyone that loves you that wants to come after me. I will crush anybody. End you today and take over your crown today. Your end has come.
Boss, are you okay? Are you okay? Boss, are you okay? Boss!
Boss, I'm glad you're safe. We were worried about your safety.
Yeah. Something I had to do myself. Rebecca has been displaced.
Boss, is she dead?
She's worse than dead. She lost her powers, and very soon she will be begging for death to come and take her. The sisterhood is down.
Wow. Congratulations, boss. This is good news. One more thing, boss. Will you make Kate the leader as she requested?
Well, I know she agreed to work with me, never to contend with my authority. But it's dangerous to play with someone who never trusts the one that makes her. So she must be eliminated.
You're right, boss. I'll make arrangements for that.
It's alright, Rebecca will regret ever waging war against me.
Wow.
Dobra.
Noted. I'm happy everything is going well as planned, boss.
My daughter, sorry I failed you. I thought I could win and end this war for you. But instead, I'm experiencing my end.
Mother, you're still here and you're very strong. You're the one that taught me never to quit, even when I feel like quitting.
I know what I taught you. But I also taught you never to ignore reality. My reality is that I have lost my power. And my life force is attached to it. My life force is connected to my power. Somehow, Dumbra is in possession of the power book, where my life force is connected to. He burnt it and ultimately ended me by that action.
Someone gave him the book. We have a traitor in our midst, and it is my job to figure out who the traitor is and make her pay dearly with her life. Let me handle it.
If you must, make them pay. Let them do so with their lives. If you must kill them slowly, do so with all pleasure, no regrets.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood.
What's going on? Why are you apprehensive? And why are you positioning the boys? Are we expecting guests?
We could be, boss. Boss, you don't expect Rebecca to accept defeat without the retaliation. You know she's one of the most ruthless queen that has ever ruled the streets.
Rebecca, she's retired now. Aye, Dumbra. The high tension, the current in the wire, Kekenina Chigwelias sent her to retirement. She cannot do anything without her powers.
My boss, we still have the Queen of Marks to worry about. The words on the street state that she's as dangerous as the person that trained her. And she's next in line to be the queen of the Sapet Sisters gang.
Oh, the Queen of the Mask. Now that you have mentioned her, I feel a weird sense of worry. It gives me a chill, and I hate that kind of feeling. So you have to go and find out what is going on. But I know with the state I left Rebecca, their hands will be too full to worry about coming after me.
Okay, boss.
Here comes Dumbra. Dumbra, Dumbra, he know the fear your face. Dumbra, he know the fear your face. Dumbra, he know the fear anybody. Dumbra, he know the fear anybody. Dumbra, he know the fear your face.
Why did you do it? Why did you betray Boss and the sisterhood?
Why?
I'm asking you.
You do not have proof to show that I did it. So stop acting as if you know what it takes to find a traitor. You know nothing about sisterhood. Take this thing out of my face.
I expected you to say this because this is how all corporates sound. I never expected less from you. Take her to the torturing room. Torture her till she speaks the truth.
I did nothing.
Remove it.
You don't think she did it, do you? Kate is my right-hand girl, the most loyal to me.
Mother, I believe she did it. A little torture will make her confess. And then you will believe me.
Only cowards resort to cheap tricks to take down their opponents. Wait and see how real and brave fighters do it. Anticipate our next move. Yours with rage. The Serpent Sisters. How many times have I warned you that this your negligence and incompetence lead you to waste your life one day? How many times?
Boss, please, I'm sorry, boss. Boss, I'm doing everything to keep the fortress safe and guided. Please, boss.
Explain to me how a dead body is lying on top of my bed. Beat your tight security, went straight to my bedroom. Does that mean that you're doing your job well?
Boss, I'm really confused. They must have used voodoo. No one breached our security.
Shut up! What voodoo are you talking about? I stripped Rebecca of her powers. They can no longer move like that. You better find that crack in your security and make sure these surprises never happen again.
Yes, boss.
What is your problem? Get out of here! Nonsense! Oh shit!
If anyone tries one of us, he has tried all of us. My fight is with Dombra, but if he dares to go for our mother, then we need to bring him down.
Boss, that man moves like a spirit. How do we get him down?
Mother used to be the only one with power, but now she's dying. From where I stand, we are no match for him. We are ready to go any length to address the disrespect given to our mother. But we must not go without a backing. That will be considered suicidal.
I see fear in all your eyes. When I said fight to death, you think I'm sending you to die. But the truth is, you still have the choice to either fight by my side or walk away. It is left for you to decide. What do you want to do? Fight or walk away?
Girls, are we going to wait for her to ask this question? We swore right here to fight for the sisterhood. Fight with blood till death. Left for me, I am keeping to that promise. And I'm in till death.
I'm all in for the sisterhood. There is no other option than to fight. I am in, sister.
The moment you place your hand on the sword, there will be no going back. Remember, henceforth is going to get bloody, dirty, and very difficult. If you're in, place your hand on the sword. We fight to finish.
We fight to finish.
Before I became the king of the streets, I became the king of the streets after sending the Serpent Sisters to their early retirement. Becoming the king attracts enemies and fuels anger. But I'm not scared. I am Dumbra, the high tension. The lion that never rose for the jungle to see what is missing and what is present. I'm always ready to fight. I always want to know who and what I'm fighting. And what enemy remains a mystery to me. Queen of the Mask.
Boss, her marks is her signature. No one knows how she looks like.
Faceless enemy is the most dangerous one. Never underestimate the power of someone who lives like they are invisible. I want you boys to unveil her real identity. I want you to show me her face and the real identity. I will make you feel too rich if you do that one.
Okonkwo JC Ayoko, Dumbra. You are a dangerous man, Dumbra.
Sorry, mother.
Why do you look so downcast? I have always known that a day like this will come when I will be counting my days on earth. I have no regrets. I have done so well for myself. Don't you think so?
Mother, you are the queen of the street. You ruled with so much peace and prosperity. Something can be done about your health. We can fly you overseas. Something can be done. You can't continue this way now. On our mobility, it shreds my heart.
This is spiritual. There are irrevocable consequences for breaking the rules of the spirit realm. This is my punishment.
Mother, what do we do?
I know I sounded like someone retreating, but Serpent Sisters are known never to retreat, no matter what. They fight till their breath is no more. I will fight with you the way I know how to.
How do we go about it? You have been my strength, Mother. I can't do without you.
I will empower you the way no one dares to. The kind of power no one dares to own. But there is a price to pay. And you must be prepared to win at all costs, no matter what.
Sorry. Do you need help? Do you need water?
It's okay, I'm good.
Mother, you are my strength.
What is the problem? Huh?
You're a member of the Serpent Sisters.
ex-member. I renounced my allegiance and the Queen of Masks is trying to kill me. She's forcing us to take oaths aimed on bringing you down. And we've been trying to convince her that a man that can bring down our powerful leader just like that is no man to go against. So I had to escape. Please.
Do you have the picture of the real face of the Queen of Masks?
What? No one dares to look at her face. She will kill you. Please, whatever you want me to do, I will do. Just save me, I beg you. Beg you.
Boss, I do not trust this lady. This could be a setup. Guys, be at alert.
It will be interesting to see where this setup leads to. Get her in.
Boss, are you sure?
Thank you, sir.
Guys.
I do not have much time. My sickness worsened by the passage of time.
Mother, concentrate on getting better. That should be your priority now. You don't have to worry yourself about anything. Please. Biko, for my sake.
I know you are very optimistic. But any moment by this time matters a lot. I need to give you all the support I can. I need to take you to the land of the dead and furious to acquire power.
Mother, the way you're sounding, it seems like the place is a very dangerous place.
Yes. It is dangerous, and coming out from that place is 50-50. They are the ones to decide whether you are worthy to acquire the power or not. And if you are unworthy, you will die. They will kill you as an unworthy vessel. Many people have lost their life trying to acquire the power they give.
Now I know why you said that the power must be gotten at all cost.
Yes. You may die while trying to acquire the power. I want you to think twice before you embark on this journey. Because when you start, there is no going back. Think well.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood. Too much to bite. Everybody fighting to survive in the street. Guys, se pasa nombre. Ochia de rafanense.
Don, do you want me to take your food to the room, or you don't mind joining them at the table?
You don't have to do this. You're a soldier too.
Yeah, a soldier that can cook. I don't mind making delicious meal every day, if that is what it takes to keep thanking you for saving my life and keeping me under your protection. What do you say?
The church feels so disgusting. Whenever I wake up to a touch of a woman, I set the sight of the goddess breasts. Get your hands off me. Get away from here. I only belong to the goddess.
I'm sorry.
give me reasons we shouldn't blow up your heads. You must be suicidal for daring to show up here.
Especially this stupid traitor. I cannot wait to spit on your grave when I kill you.
Bloody traitor. No, yeah. You are a disgrace to the sisterhood. We should just kill you here and now. After vengeance is ours to take.
Can we not be trigger happy? You think we are here without backings. For your information, you all are outnumbered.
You know me very well. I am the queen of the mask. I will take my chance with one bullet and send you to your early grave.
Today is not the day for war. I am here with a message from my boss. He would love to have a dialogue with you. Under the lover's tree, he wants to meet you. Kill or die.
Interesting. Tell your boss that I have accepted his invitation. I can't wait to kill him with my bare hands and watch him die slowly. Now get out! Out!
Guys, se pasa no way. Ochi ya de rafanense. Icho bare nyegia. Icho ndo fenyegia. Who will be the next?
As I live and breathe, it is the Queen of Mars sitting before me.
I do not consider it a pleasure to be before you. Cut the chase.
Well, I can see that you are very busy plotting for my death. But let me warn you. Let bygone be bygone. Let's bury the hatchet and let bygone be bygones. Because the streets will be prosperous if we embrace peace and shun war.
I don't expect you to extend the hand of peace after bringing down my boss. There will be no peace.
I know you will say this, but let me warn you. I have been existing before your name mattered. You are breathing because I allowed you to.
Really? When next we meet, I will blow off one of your ears and ask you some questions. Let's stop pretending like we are friends. We are not friends and we will never be friends.
Remove the mask. I feel a wave of familiarity.
You should feel that wave. You should get familiar with the voice of the person who is about to kill you.
Remove the mask. Let me see the face of the person that wants me dead so badly.
The day you feel my cold hands of death around you, that day I will mask myself so that you will see my face before you die. I will kill you. It's a promise.
Here comes Dumbra.
You tried to seduce my boss and you failed. Now you want to seduce his right-hand man. Huh? What is your mission here?
Do I detect jealousy in your voice? Are you jealous that I am attracted to power? I am more attracted to you because you're the one with real power. You keep him safe. Without you, he is nothing. I believe other men are loyal to him because of you.
One more word from you again, I'll kill you. I'm loyal to my boss and I'll remain loyal for the rest of my life. So get that into your skull. Numbskull.
brave. You have started a ritual. There's no going back. From here on, you will continue your journey alone. Be brave, daughter of death.
Is she getting any better?
Sadly, no. Today is even worse. She's getting more delirious. And the fact that the boss is not around makes it even worse.
I feel for Bibiana. I can imagine what she's going through. If the dead finds her unworthy of their power, they're going to kill her.
That is a very high risk to take. To toll the path of death just to defeat her enemy. It is crazy.
Forgive me, but I call it reckless and stupid. Yes. It takes the living to fight. I just pray she comes back home safe.
Idiot, I knew you were up to something right from the first day I saw you. Are you a spy?
Are you crazy? Can't you see they were ready to kill me that I went with you to go and deliver the message?
Just shut up. What are you doing here? And why are you trying to reach his power to them? Why?
Curiosity. Your boss traveled through space and time to get that object. Tell me you were not curious to touch it to see if you would disappear.
Listen, I don't trust you and I find you compromised and dubious. If you make any wrong move, I will kill you. Better be careful.
Please, forgive me, for I dare to come to your presence. I'm a tainted human who is here to seek for powers. Please help me, don't forsake me. Please, please, I beg of you, please.
Daughter of the dead, you are welcome to our sanctuary. For 3 days and nights, you must feel at home and enjoy the waves of the spirit and the wind as they pass through you. You are home. Rest peacefully. Only after then shall your wish be granted unto you.
Boss, Moye seems suspicious. I have a feeling that she was sent by the Sapet sisters gang to spy on us. She's an implant.
I suspected that too. Especially when she made advances towards my body. She thinks she can use it to block my vision and perception with sex.
So what do you want me to do, boss?
Cut her head off. Parcel it. Deliver it to the serpent gang. Let it sound like a warning to them. If they trespass, kill them.
Boss, this is very fast and concise. I suggest we just play along and try to use her to get them trapped. I feel it's the best idea.
I like the sound of that. Maybe we can use it as a wrong message. Then allow them to fall on their own trap. Can go ahead with it.
Okay, boss.
Thank you. Thank you, the dead, for finding me worthy to be empowered. I promise to work for you and raise people with this power. Thank you.
You made it, my daughter, from the land of the dead. I knew you were worthy of their gifts.
I'm sorry, Mother. So sorry I roped you into my fight. My battles.
Don't say that. What mother will sit back and watch her daughter restless? I couldn't sleep. I've been awake waiting for you to come back. So you can swear to me and promise that you will keep the sisterhood safe. And promise me that you will bring justice to my death and end the reign and life of Dombra.
Mother, I promise you that I will make sure I end Dombra with everything in me. He will pay for all he has done to you and to all of us. I promise with my life.
Good.
Open your mouth. That's my entire life force that I put inside of you. If you do as I command you, the force inside you will keep you safe and empower you. But if you break the promise, the force inside you will eat you slowly till there will be nothing left, and eventually you will die.
I will.
keep to my promise, Mother. I will obey you and I will fight for your death. I promise on my life. Thank you for finding me worthy. Thank you.
I've been breathing because I allowed you to breathe. I do not believe the mercifulness that I've given to you. Use it to empower and to cause the tea of conflict. I shall take them away. I shall take them away.
Mother!
Mother, no! Don't do this to me! Mother!
You are a hell of a tigress in bed, baby. Ha, God. You want to kill me?
Says by the insatiable lion in bed. I noticed I still have my head intact. That translates that you did not tell your boss that I touched his power totem. And you're someone who doesn't keep anything away from him.
That doesn't mean my loyalty is unquestionable. I did everything because I love you and I want you to be safe for me. You know, I don't even know what you have done to me. You all over my head.
And what does that make us?
The funny thing is that I can't even tell. I'm just trying to take it a step at a time. Babe, I'll be going on a very risky mission and I don't know if I'll come back to your arms.
A risky mission? Is it something private or you want to share so that I can pray for your safe return?
We are about to rob the Flyers gang and this is a very dangerous gang. They want to take their weapons and it's a very risky mission.
Come on, don't be scared, my love. Your boss Dumbra is very powerful and invisible. You'll be safe.
I know that doesn't change the fact that we are going on a very, very tedious mission. And I want to come back to you because I love you. You know, right?
You know I love you too.
I want us to embark on a mission. And I want this mission perfectly done. We need to take down Dumbra. They are planning to attack Flyers gang. And I want us to be that gang that they never expected. In the midst of gunfire, we will just appear and take Dumbra down. This is the perfect time to strike.
Boss, this is a very good plan. Well, except for the fact that our target is practically immortal because of his juju.
Even if we shoot him while he's distracted, there is no certainty that he will die.
Regardless, we will take our chances. Not until we find out where he got his power and what limits it. We will keep striking, poking bullets till he takes his last breath. We will not surrender.
Boss, this is a very risky thing to do. We'll be stuck in between two dangerous gangs at war.
We are dangerous and we're also at war. Do not let your heart tell you otherwise or fail you. I'll personally kill Dumbra with my hands. by myself. No gimmicks.
Here comes Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear of face. Dombra.
I can see you're working so hard, but the problem is that you're so emotional and undirectional.
Dobra is speaking through the laptop!
Sit back and enjoy what I have for you. How did it go? Is the masked queen dead?
I'm sorry, boss. Aside from the driver's body, we did not see any other body.
What happened? It's a dangerous chemical that's supposed to deprive her of oxygen. What's going on? The last time I checked, I know her powers can only take her out, not the girls. What happened? Is it a power upgrade or something?
Boss, I'm so confused. She's extremely intriguing. And we must keep investigating till we find out who she is. She acts like she has a beef with you in the past.
It's good to know that you're not realizing that it's no longer about territory. But make sure the driver's family is well compensated. He sacrificed his life. Yes.
Noted, boss. This proves that Noye is a spy that gives information to the Serpent Gang.
I must commend that. I must commend your proactiveness. We will continue to use her against our people. She made a very dangerous mistake. She took a very dangerous risk by coming against us. That must be stupid of her.
This bastard knew all along. He's playing.
You mean he knew you were a spy and allowed you to walk out alive? Yeah?
For this reason. To listen to wrong information, led us trap and deliver it to you so that you can walk into it. I have been compromised. They used me to lure you into the trap and destroy my family.
You don't have to be too hard on yourself. I totally underestimated Dombra and Samuel. What was I even thinking? That they would believe your distress story? They don't have any empathy in them, so there is no way they would have shown you sympathy. I should have known better. But what was that smoke? What the hell was that smoke?
Asking myself same thing. He went as far as sacrificing his driver just to make a statement.
Whatever that was, if you had stayed 1 more minute there, what would you saying on this rubbish?
What do you want me to do, boss? Considering the fact that they already know our plans, I can't go back there. They will kill me.
Nonya, if they had wanted to kill you, they would have done that long time ago. I can understand if you don't want to go back to their camp. If you're too scared to go back, it's fine, don't go back. But I want you to be close to Samuel. Very close to him. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you need to.
There is trouble in the streets. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the streets. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite.
Hey.
What? What's going on? You thinking of shooting me?
I made you the king that you are today. You are nothing without me. Just because you possess superpowers does not make you invisible. One day I will take what is rightfully mine. Because Dombra is Donatus without me, Samuel. You are nothing without me. You are nothing without me.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street.
Did you see the fear in his face? He was scared like a child who's about to call the mother for rescue. I love this new power of mine. I can turn into anything, move to anywhere, undefeated. Poor Dombra. I will make him paranoid with Samuel. And when that happens, he will lose concentration and I will strike. He would definitely pay for everything he has done to me, my mentor, and everyone around me. I love this power!
Boss, is everything okay? I heard you talking to someone. Is everything alright?
How can everything be alright? When you were here pointing gun at my head. Say things that can easily blow off your head.
Boss, I was not here. It was not me, boss. Whoever you saw was a spirit trying to turn you against me.
That is it. That is mostly like it. How is it possible for anyone to acquire such power? They die attempting to have it.
Boss, what power are you talking about?
The power from the sanctuary of the dead and furious. They are the only one that has ability to turn human into any form. They can have ability to penetrate into anyone. But none of my enemies have such power.
How bad is it, boss?
As bad as they can turn it to my mother's form. And beg my mother to kill me. Because they will know that I will feel relaxed thinking that my mother will not harm me.
This is really serious, boss.
What?
Greetings, Dombra. What is bothering you? Is this something I can help? Or should we go and see Ezenwai?
I had a strange visit last night. Someone used my right man's body to threaten me.
What?
Yes.
That must be your enemy.
That is why I'm here. Because that kind of enemy that will possess that kind of power must be from the sanctuary of the dead and the furious. What should I do?
For your enemy to get you, that enemy must use what protects you.
That exactly. That makes me to live at their mercy. But I shall never do that. Because they breathe because I allow them to breathe. They will have mercy if I decide for them to have mercy. Because I am Dombra, the lion that doesn't need to roll for the jungle to see what is present or what is happening. I am Dombra, the current in the wire. The most powerful, the most fearless. This is who I am.
Here comes Dombra. Dombra, Dombra, Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra.
What stops me from killing you just like this now?
That will be you making me believe you are a coward who is too scared to face people face to face and fight.
You made a valid point. But I'm proud to show you that I can kill you. But I don't like hiding the face of the person I'm going to kill. I want to see the face of the person I'm fighting with. And your mask denies me the pleasure.
You're not here to talk about my mask. Kill me, and then you shall unmask me. Something made you move so desperately. I don't know you to move in a sneaky manner. Why are you here?
You think you know me? Well, I have come to warn you to fight fairly. Stop playing petty tricks. I know that the shapeshifter was you. The next time you pull a stunt like that, I'll blow your last breath.
Is this the part where you want me to admit I'm the one or deny it? I see why you sneaked up on me like that. You are restless. You don't know what next the devil have in stock for you. You don't know when they are planning to take you down and kill you.
You will be the biggest fool to think I'm easy to kill.
With all your confidence, you are here hunting for the shapeshifter. Your confidence sounds like you're scared, man.
I will unmask you, and your death shall be worse than that of your predecessor.
Let me see you try, Dombra. Let me see you try. But get ready for what I have planned for you. I promise you it's going to be bloody. Now, get out of my car. I can't be breathing the same air with you. Out before I drive you to hell.
Drive on! I will vanish out the way I vanished in. Move!
Here comes Dombra. Dombra, Dombra, Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra. You know the fear.
You're playing with fire.
Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra, Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra. Dombra know the fear at all. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear your face, Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. Okonkwo jinsi ayoko. Dombra. You are a dangerous man. Dombra. Ojo bara kweke. Dombra. Ejira kwama. Enyo chare. Dombra. He's ready to fight. Oh, hey, Dombra. You know the fear. Everybody know your name. Hey, oh, Dombra.
You have nerves asking us to meet after pulling the stunt. Using me to set trap for my people.
That is because you've been playing me all this while. You've been a spy, trying to cause problem between me and my boss.
What's your plan? To sleep with me? Make me vulnerable and kill me?
That is why you climb my bed. That is the reason why you climb my bed. You try to seduce me with your body. Made me submissive to you. You know what? You're lucky. Because anyone that is a traitor to my boss is supposed to die by my hands. But look at me, missing your kisses.
That's for trying to kill my sisters.
Sorry. I missed you, babe.
I missed you too. Call me soon, okay?
Okay, I will.
There is trouble in the streets. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the streets. Enemy in the border.
Where were you all day?
Greetings, boss. I had an information, boss, so I went to track it. It's from an anonymous tip.
Squeeze this trigger and watch your boss flow down here before us. If you lie to me again because of a woman. Is there gold flowing down there?
No, boss. Boss, please, boss. I fear that you might not accept her. Boss, I'm doing everything possible to unmask the queen. You know, women can do crazy things for love, boss. Please forgive me, boss.
Don't be too confident. Make mistakes while in love with a woman.
Boss, you know I can never betray you, boss. Anything I'm doing for you, boss, and for the gang, boss.
Oh, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Samuel is sleeping with a woman just because of me and the gang. Rubbish. Don't try this again, else you'll be drawing your last breath.
Noted, boss. I promise you it won't repeat itself again, boss.
Get out.
Thank you, boss.
Use the other way if it's not open.
I think he feels threatened by the shape-shifting powers.
But it's not enough if knives and guns cannot penetrate him.
I totally agree with you. You know, I am surprised Donatus is now such a powerful man. He used to be scared. He's a very scared cat. Amongst us, I used to be the brave one.
But you're still braver than him. Because you dare to acquire a power no human dares to acquire.
You just said it. That is not enough to defeat him.
But it gives you an edge. Yes. I'm sure wherever he is now, Dombra is scared. Scared to death. For anyone to come close to him. Because he sees you in them.
We need to break him. Take away his peace and confidence.
And the only way to do that is to check for his limitations and use them against him.
Nonya?
Yes, boss.
Where are you coming from? Where have you been?
I went to meet Samuel.
Did you sleep with him?
What?
You heard me.
I mean, yes. I had to make him fall in love with me. Trust me and be submissive. Call it manipulative sex.
Manipulative sex. Be careful, Noye, so you don't end up being the one being manipulated. Women are very loyal in nature. When we fall in love, we give everything. And if you're not careful, that same love could consume you. I'm saying all of this because I've been there before. I don't want you to make graveyard mistakes.
No. That's too extreme for this situation. I'm only sleeping with him to get information. Nothing more.
Be careful.
Yes, boss.
Boss, you look upset.
Yes! You're very useless. Very, very useless. Why is it so difficult for you to expose a single woman? Show me her face! You cannot do that. Why?
I'm sorry, boss. The Queen of Marks is not an easy target. She's the most ruthless on the street.
So am I. I took down the queen and became the king. So everyone should fear my wrath. I hate fighting faceless people. Especially when I know that they will fight is personal. What's going on here?
I promise you, boss, I will reveal her true identity. Please.
No. You promised me you will reveal her true identity. How? By sleeping with her girl? I can see you're too confident with this your cock. Yes. Listen, you need to take more proactive measures. Something that she will not see coming. You have to do that. Okay?
Noted, boss.
Good. I have an idea.
Here comes Dombra. Dombra! He know the fear your face, he know the fear your face, he know the fear anybody, he know the fear anybody, he know the fear your face, know the fear at all, he know the fear anybody,
I just saw the mob doctor, and he says she'll be fine, she will not die, and she's stable right now.
I feel so relieved. I never wished to see that girl die because of Dondra and I. I'm glad.
Boss, do you know that girl before? Because I mean, that girl came out to take a bullet for you. She stood like a vest, a bullet vest, just for you.
I've not met her before. I can't remember meeting someone like that.
You know, I'm really worried. Everything is happening so fast. But I just feel there's something not right. Like there's this huge storm coming.
I don't care. My top priority is to make sure she's fine and compensate her for such huge sacrifice.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much tonight. There is trouble in the street.
What is it, boss?
Unbelievable that I couldn't know the voice, the boldness, the aura. Because it's only one woman that has ever made me feel insecure as a man. Because she has the balls, same size of a man.
I don't understand, boss. Are you talking about the Queen of Masks?
The Queen of Masks is dead and risen. And I will do everything to make sure I send her back to the land of the dead.
Are you talking about who I'm thinking?
Exactly who you think she is. Bibiana is alive.
What?
She is behind the mask. She's the Queen of the Mask.
Nothing has really changed about you. Even after making money, you still have a very poor taste. I can say from the flavor of this horrible, cheap, God-forsaken wine that lacks richness and nutrients. What is this?
I can see. And you're busy enjoying the wine. Is that sarcasm or irony? What is it? Better remove that mask, Bibiana. Oh. What were you thinking? That you will hide away from you forever? After you boldly approached me and threatened me. No. You don't get to bat on someone without being ready to bat at.
You can't unmask me. Do you have cameras in my home? It's not possible.
Someone was resourceful enough to help me out. There are so many cracks in your family. First, coming from kids turning against your mother. Someone else turning against you. Who can you trust?
You must be very gullible to think you can manipulate me into believing my girl did this. The last time you succeeded in taking me unawares was because I trusted and loved you, but not anymore. That can never happen again.
Well,
this time around, I will show myself.
Well, next time you're here, ditch away the damn mask. Because I want to see your real face. I want to see the fire of vengeance blazing in your eyes.
Can't withstand it. That fire will definitely burn you alive.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the hood.
One of you took a picture while I was resting outside and sent it to the enemy, making the fight more difficult. And I'd like to know, what did he offer you? My position? Power? Money? What could make any of you make such costly mistake? I'll check all your purses. From there I can dictate who is guilty.
Two captains can never be in a ship. Two drivers can never drive one car.
Boss, it's not me. It's not me. I cannot betray you for anything. Not when it's life-threatening. I would rather die.
I know you're not the one. But listen, and listen attentively. If there is something you are doing or thinking about doing that will hurt the sisterhood, quit. I can't wait to find out who did this to me. When I do, I will deal with that person.
Boss, this must be Lola. She's here on a mission.
How can she be the one when the doctor said she's still unconscious because of the gun wound?
Everybody fighting to survive in the street. Guys, se passa nombre. Oggi è di raffanese. Icho bare nyagia. Icho no fenyagia. Oh oh. Brotherhood fighting sisters.
How are you?
I'm fine. I hope you're pleased, boss.
Extremely. I must thank you for getting close to her, taking the risk to obtain that picture. I would like to compensate you for the job well done.
Oh, wow. Well, I have few ideas on how I want to be compensated. Right. What are you doing? So your thing can't stand up from my touch. Oh! The river goddess. She took your vanity as a man in exchange for the power you possess.
You think I'll not know you? Viviana.
Stop being cocky. I only said that to give you a hint about who I am.
So now you now live around like a living spirit.
Surprised to know that an evil spirit is scared of evil spirit. Donatus, let me tell you something. You can't go scot-free. You will pay for everything you have done to me. You will pay.
Dombra, Donatus died the day he killed you. He took away his weakness so that he will be fine. Can't you see that after giving away the weakness, after killing you, can't you see what he has turned out to be? Dombra, the most fearless, the powerful one, the current in the wire, the high tension. Can't you feel it? Can't you see it?
To me, you are nothing. I still see you as a coward. I was in love and trusting you, doing everything for you. I never knew you see me as a contender.
My love, something really big is about to happen on the horizon. And if we don't move big, we cannot be big at all.
So what do you have in mind?
See, I got this tip that the Serpent Sisters gang has this, they possess this treasure in the black market. So I suggest we go take it from them.
My love, you are so hilarious. Look at how easy you're making it seem. The person you're talking about is a dreaded, notorious crime queen. Nobody dares to cross her line and go scot-free. Going to rob her is just like signing your own death warrant. Are we ready for that?
Of course we are ready. Simple thing, we just arrange few guns. Then we'll use it to scare her security. Letting them move away, then we'll enter there, take the treasure and move. Simple. I don't need to tell you how robbery works now. You know everything.
Hi, I wish it's that easy. I totally understand how robbery works, but this case is different. Listen, when you want to attack people, first of all, you ask about their strength and weakness. But the most dangerous thing about notorious crime queen is that she does not have any iota of weakness. Everything about her is strength. And she possesses this juju power that nobody dares to cross her lane.
What are you not saying? What are you saying? We should quit?
No. That's not what I'm saying. Listen. Before we embark on such operation, we need to fortify ourselves, especially you. We need to find Ezbote Zedibia Karaka. Do you understand?
Yes. So, are you saying we should quit now? Remember, no venture, no gain. You always said that to me.
I do, and that's why I'm bringing this suggestion. I know one Dibia that works with another powerful Ezewine. We will go and meet that Ezedibia and tell him that we want him to fortify you, so that you'll be strong enough to face the challenge ahead. We have to be prepared for it.
Okay.
And we have to act fast.
Ezedibia, Donatus here is my boyfriend and I love him so much. I want you to help me make him very powerful
because of the things that lies ahead for him.
Are you ready to do all it takes?
We are ready to do anything as long as it's going to make him powerful.
Okay. I will cook him all night in a pot. And he will have all the powers.
Please, I cannot do that. I cannot do this. I cannot be cooked in the pot. It's too risky. What if the pot is too hot and I will die inside it?
It's just like confronting the crime queen without powers and protection. You said you're big. You said you want big things. All these things cannot be done without acquiring big powers.
Please, I don't have the mind. I'm not brave enough to do that. I cannot do it. My heart is already failing me. If I try it, I will not survive it. Please, I can't do it.
Okay, fine. I'll do it. Yes, we need someone to be fearless, brave, and ruthless for us to achieve this. If it takes me sacrificing myself, I am willing to do so. Listen, Donatus, I want us to be the most powerful couple that runs the affairs of the street.
The most dreaded couple. That is what I want. And this requires power, so I'm willing to sacrifice myself to make sure we achieve it.
You're going to do it for us?
I will.
Hi. You're making me now look miserable. You're making me feel ashamed. I'm not feeling so hard because I don't have the kind of power you possess. Looking like a coward.
Don't worry. Let me tell you something. There is king and there is kingmaker. That is what I am to you, your kingmaker. All you need to do is to be loyal to me and love me perfectly forever. I'm your kingmaker.
Are you sure you can do this?
I did not risk my life by getting cooked and seeing the dead just to give up on the D-Day. Don't man up. This is the only opportunity we have to make it in life.
Hey, you're about to sacrifice your life to make me the most powerful and worthy man. Oh, this is your bravery. I can never forget it. As long as I live, I will sing your praises.
Stop sounding as if I'm dying. Listen, I am prepared for this journey. I will go inside there, get everything we need and come out successfully.
Okay.
Ogugu. 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 We are made for life. Yes, it is complete. We are made for life, my love. We don't have to open it here. We just need to live here now. I am... Donatus, you are a coward. And a coward you will remain. You refuse to be cooked for oppressions. You made me do everything for you, only for you to pay me back by trying to murder me. You keep saying I'm your weakness. No! I am your strength. You have all of these things because of me. And you're scared of letting the world know that you are nothing without me.
Never change. You always allow emotions to becloud your reasoning. You always wanted to be the one that saves the day. Right now, you are allowing your emotion to lead you into a fight you know that you cannot win.
That must be torment.
I am Dombra, the most fearless, the invisible, the most powerful crime lord.
That must be torment. Because I'm the only one alive who knows what a coward and insecure fool you are. But let me tell you something, Donatus. You will pay for everything you have cost me. Every of my things you've taken away, I will get them. For trying to murder me, you will pay. For murdering my mentor, you will pay. I am promising you a very slow and painful death.
Don't come into my house and threaten me. I have dealt with people like you who think I am small. Ask your mentor if you get a chance to meet her.
I'll be back. And when that happens, there will be no peace for the wicked.
I shall be waiting. The high tension is there. Current in the wire.
even know. I'm telling you,
Boss!
Girls, wetin dey happen?
Boss, bad news there.
Wetin happen?
That Lola girl, she dey escape. I don't know how. She just escaped.
It's crazy on how that girl came here, full doors to be unconscious. I was thinking the doctor should know all these things based on the person's pulse movement or something.
That stupid girl exposed me to Dombra. She acted as if she was saving my life in a drama well orchestrated by Dombra, just to get close to me and take my picture and send to him.
No, that son of a biatch. He continues to play dirty. But boss, what we could do? What we could do that stupid girl? She can't just try to take a photograph of you just like that now. Something has to go down.
It's simple. She decided her fate the day she made up her mind to toil with the mask queen. She will get what she bargained for. Find her wherever she is and make sure you give her a very painful death.
Have this.
Why are you giving me this money? I hope you're not thinking that I will sell my boss.
I want you to leave town immediately. I want you to go to somewhere far away, where you'll be safe. I shall come visit you. No, I want you to be safe, far away from all these problems. Please.
I can't believe this. You think of me weak? Samuel, just the way you are a soldier in Dombran's gang is the same way I am also a soldier in Serpent Sister's gang. How dare you look down on me?
Listen, Noye. I do not consider you weak. I'm only concerned about your safety. Dombra will do everything humanly possible to make sure you cease to exist, so I can focus on the mission. Noye, I don't want to lose you, and I want you to be safe for me. I beg you, please, leave.
Just like you, I also have someone to protect. I don't run away when the heat is hot. I stay there till the end. You can't just tell me to run away because you're digging my hole.
Noye, you need to listen to me, please. Noye?
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street.
Boss, what I am about to ask you can be misunderstood as divided loyalty, but that's not the case. I will never betray you.
Nonya, speak freely to me.
It's about Sammy. Sammy has nothing against you. He saved me from Dombra. It's just an hitman that was paid to do a job, who is trying to survive just like everyone else. Can you please spare his life? Don't kill him.
You are a fool. He has shaken your heart. And you're about to make the same mistake I made years back that almost cost me my life before Serpent Sisters came to rescue me timely. Because he sleeps with you doesn't mean he loves you.
Boss, this is different. Sammy loves me. He truly does.
He doesn't love you. He's just sleeping with you. Let me tell you something you must know about men. They are not like us women. They don't care. And when they pledge their loyalty, they do it till they take their last breath. If he's asked to kill you to prove his loyalty, he wouldn't blink. He wouldn't even think twice to do it. So don't mistake sex for protection or love. He's just having fun with you. Don't be mad. Don't be stupid. Don't make graveyard mistake.
Oh, Obinna, how are you doing? Is that you?
I'm very fine, sir.
How is Mama?
Mama is no more.
Oh, what?
But I am sorry. I'm sorry for calling you out of the blues. Mama is the only reason why I chose to stay in this village, and I had no other option but to call you.
Well, it's okay, Obinna. You don't need to be sorry, okay? Where else can you be if not for me? Huh? There's no problem.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're family.
Thank you very much, Uncle Donatus.
No. Call me Dombra, okay? Feel free to call me down there, Dombra.
Yes, sir.
No problem. You're free to be at my home. Stay at my home and stay there until you settle and get a job.
Really?
Yeah.
You mean I can stay with you?
I said your family. It's my duty to take care of you because you're family.
Oh my God, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. God will bless you for me. Thank you very much. I'm really, really grateful for this.
Let's go inside.
Here comes Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. Know the fear at all. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear your face. Dombra. Dombra. You know the fear anybody. Dombra.
You have made it in life, oh. You have this big house in the city.
Well, boy, you can say that again and again.
But Okodobao, where is your wife and children? I mean, you've made all the money in the entire world. By now, I should see children walking around the compound, playing around. Where are they?
Well, since your sister left, so I've not been to myself. I now looks as if she has a strong hold on me. So I've not been able to get another woman. Not because of your sister.
I understand. I understand you perfectly well. I know my sister is dead. And I know you miss her so much. But please move on. Try and move on. I am very sure my sister will want that for you as well.
Well, I'm hoping there's no problem. Just relax. I feel at home, okay? I will ask my chef to prepare some delicious dish for you.
Your chef? Your chef? In this house? Hey.
It's alright, come in.
Uncle Naba, thank you for bringing me to this house. So my life is about to change.
It's alright.
Sister, how could you not tell me you are alive? How could you keep this a secret? Now your secret has cost me my life. My death is on you. Boss, are you okay? What is it?
I don't know what it is,
I don't know if it was a dream or I'm hallucinating, but I don't think everything is fine with my family.
Would you love to share? Because some dreams are signs of things to come.
I need you girls to do me a favor. You have to go to my village, please. Make sure you move unannounced in a manner you don't attract people. Find out if they are fine. My mother, my brother. Please, make sure everything is okay with them and bring me back words. I need to be sure.
That's a small thing. But for now, just go back to sleep, please. Okay?
I'll be fine.
You should be fine.
First thing tomorrow morning, you have to leave to my village.
Alright, boss.
Let's go. What was that?
So tell me, what did you find out? How is my mother and my brother?
Your brother left to the city a few days ago. And my mother?
Talk to me, my mother!
Boss, I'm sorry. Your mother passed. And your brother left the village, hence he has nothing doing there anymore.
No! No! Oh! I failed them. Gosh. I failed my mother. I thought staying away from them would be the easiest way to protect them. I never knew that that's a cowardly way. Gosh. No. Where's my brother? Where?
Boss, we can't locate your brother. The city is big. We just don't know how.
Boss, do you know anybody in this city where your brother could be staying? Like anybody?
Yes. I know just one person he could trust and be with. And that is the same devil I want to bring down.
Dumbra.
Here comes Dumbra.
Oh!
He know the fear of face. He know the fear of face. He know the fear anybody. He know the fear anybody. He know the fear of face. Know the fear at all. He know the fear anybody. He know the fear of face. He know the fear anybody. Okonkwo jinsi ayoko. You are a dangerous man. Ojo bara kweke. Echira kwama enyo chare.
Brother, please, can I talk to you for a minute?
What is it?
Brother, I think I have saved up enough, and I want to move out of the house now. And I also think I want to have my own apartment, and yeah, that's it.
Obinna, Never said you're important to me. Why are you in a hurry to leave? That breaks my heart. Thought you're comfortable living with me.
Yes, I am, brother. I am, but I just don't want to be another problem for you to take care of. I just want to remove myself from that situation and take care of myself. Yeah, I don't know. I just think I want to stay on my own, moving on.
No need to thank me. No thanks is necessary for family. If I don't take care of you, who else will I do? Feel free. Feel free. This is your home too. Feel free to stay at home. Okay?
Alright, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I don't think I can ever repay you for how good and supportive you've been of me. Thank you very much, sir, and God will surely bless you. Thank you, sir. I think I would go back and continue. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Where are you going?
I was told to come and perform the rituals today. That's why I'm here.
The goddess is not entertaining anybody today. Go back.
But I came with the cows and the other necessary things.
Go back and come back in 3 days' time.
Why?
The goddess is not entertaining anybody today. Go! I said, go back!
Okay, thank you.
Go!
Thank you. I shall go and return back.
Yes.
Thank you.
Let me see how you can defeat me when your powers are weak due to late renewal.
Wise one. What is it again? I just spoke to you on my path to the river.
Spoke to me?
Yes.
Well, how? Maybe someone that resembled me.
Are you sure you are not the one that asked me to go and come back in 3 days' time?
3 days' time? What? How? When there is emergency. All I'm telling you now is to go there and renew your ritual before it will be too late.
What is going on? This evil spirit is at it again. But how powerful can you be that you allow your form to be used to be tormenting me? Your body and spirit.
Oh! Don't! You are talking too much. Go down and renew the ritual before it's too late. Huh? Before if you don't go there now, there will be consequences. I said, if you don't go there now, there will be consequences. There will be consequences. There will be consequences.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much to bite. There is trouble in the street.
Is that not Obinna? Obinna! Obinna, come! Come close. Come!
Whoever you are, stay away from me. Stay the hell away from me. Whosoever you are, my sister is dead.
Obinna, I am not dead. Your life is in danger. We need to go somewhere safe and have a long conversation. I'm just so sorry about everything that has happened.
Leave me the hell alone. My sister is dead. Why you? Is this a ghost? Stay the hell away from me.
Obinna, I am not a ghost. I stayed away from you and Mama for you guys' safety. I thought staying away would keep you safe and alive for me.
No. If my sister was truly alive, she would not stay away from us. Not even when Mama was sick. The news of her death made Mama to die. It gave Mama a heart attack. So we say it again. If my sister was truly alive, she would not stay away from us. So stop punking me! Stop!
Obinna, this is Bibiana. Listen.
Obinna! Obinna! Noticed you've not been yourself all through the day. Is there something I should know?
Yes. But I am too embarrassed to talk about it.
Try me. What is it?
Okay, brother. Will you believe me if I tell you I just saw my sister's ghost? I mean, she approached me, but I ran away. Uncle, she's a ghost, right? Hope I'm not going crazy.
You already know the answer to that question. What will you do?
What will I do? Is there something you're not telling me, Uncle? Huh? You came to us. You came to us bearing the news of my sister's death. But somehow you know she's alive.
Well, I recently find out, just like you, I've been so angry that she lived her life as if she died to us. What your sister did is unforgivable. I know you're angry with her. She shouldn't be that far from us, your family.
Uncle, you are right. I am very angry. But something is not right. It is unlike my sister to abandon I and Mama in the village and go to the city to live a luxurious life. Something is definitely not right, Uncle.
Yeah, open now. In life, people change. Money changes them faster. That's the case of your sister. What will you do? Do you want to see her? Without saying goodbye. Have I not treated you well? Huh? I treated you like a brother.
Brother, you are keeping secret from me. You knew that my sister was alive and you allowed me to believe that she was dead.
I've given you my reasons. And you know you cannot walk away from here.
What will you do to me? Huh? kill me? I can clearly see you are using juju. Allow me. Allow me to go and search for my sister.
Obinna, I can see that I have treated you so well as if you belong here. And that made you too comfortable to think you can just move in and out anyhow you like. But you don't have that freedom, bro. You don't have that freedom. No.
So what does that make me? Eh? You're prisoner?
I know you're very smart. Obinna, you're my prisoner. I need you to fight a battle that you never fought in your entire life. Yes!
Okay.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I don't know where you take come out now. I know open this gate. You're welcome, sir.
If you're paying attention at this gate, you won't be asking this stupid question.
Oh, sorry, sir. Okay, but I'm still confused now. Maybe that's in my head, they worry me. You're welcome.
You're not serious.
Sorry, sir. Boss.
Yeah. Summer, you have to go to the warehouse. I got information that Queen of the Mass is coming over towards my business.
Noted, boss. But boss, I can't leave you and the house unguided. Let me leave some guys behind to watch over you.
No, you have to do as I said. Do what I told you. Go there, go with all the boys, and protect the business. And Dombra, I can take care of myself.
As you wish, boss.
I am very sure. Since money reach now, I never opened this gate. Let me hold the key now. Wait till this man take come out. What be this man way I deserve? He appear, he disappear. Hey, this man why they serve? I be he appear and disappear. See him motor, you no carry motor come out. I no open gate. He just appear back. Hey, na trouble I enter.
Yeah, get up. Let's go.
You bastard. Have you finally decided to kill me? Where are you taking me to?
Taking you to your sister. Hurry up, let's go. We don't have time. Move, get up. Let's go.
I see two organ here. Who? This one. Which one be my organ? Which one be spirit? Two organ here.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I said don't worry. Obinna!
I'm sorry. I am so sorry I couldn't save you. I'm sorry.
Sister, it is not your fault. But promise me you'll make him pay.
I will. I promise. You will pay.
gate!
Boss, are you okay? I saw some drop of blood on the floor.
The blood is all there is the blood of my enemy, not mine.
Is it that of the Queen of the Marks?
No, it's take more than blood to send her to the grave. Her brother Obinna is dead. Well, that satisfied me. Because the worthless vengeance she's doing is claiming her loved ones. So where did you go?
Boss, we went to secure your businesses as the Queen of Marks is making advances.
This your coconut head. I've warned you many times to be careful. Not to fall to her tricks. She has this ability of changing into anything, including me, even the Dibia. So if you don't verify very well, you think it was me. And with that, you just left me, just like that, unprotected, unguided.
I'm sorry, boss. I was distracted. I deserve to be punished.
Sorry for yourself. There's nothing to be sorry about. Just go and prepare the boys. Get ready, because she's coming back to retaliate.
All right, boss. Noted.
You wasted her blood.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much tonight. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline.
What is it? Why? Why are you attacking a grieving woman, you coward?
Should have done that a long time ago. I have made investigation on what the people from the dead and furious fears the most. Understand is the snake venom.
You bastard. I'll kill you. And when that time comes, no one will be able to save you from my hands.
Till we kill you. Kill your only brother, which is the only person you have. No one else will come after you.
You will pay. You will pay for all you've cost me. My mentor's life. My brother's life. Everything. Everything you will pay. I will not surrender. It's only 6 feet. That will make me surrender. You will pay. You will pay.
I've told you to make a decision to end this war. Seek for a truce. But say no. You have a chance to walk away.
Over my dead body. I will not surrender.
There is trouble in the street.
It's always difficult to defeat someone that can change into any shape or any form. Is there something we can do about that? Because she's determined to end me, and I am ready and determined also to do that before.
What do you seek?
More power. I want to be immortal, and I'm ready to pay any price.
Then you have to sleep with the goddess, and you have all the power. But there will be consequences.
Yes, I know the consequences. Can only get right on the bosom of the goddess. That's partial impotence. But I'm ready to sacrifice it all. I'm ready to sacrifice my mouth for this immortality. Because I want to be strong and defeat my enemy without any constraint.
I see you're prepared for whatever it takes.
Boss, the new girls were here for initiation, but I told them to go. It's been postponed because you're not around.
You did well.
Thank you.
I know that she went to the dead and the furious sanctuary again.
I wanted to. But the snake venom contaminated me and made me unfit. Jacqueline, listen. I'm getting weak day by day. I'm becoming vulnerable for my enemies. I need the sanctuary power. I need help.
Bibiana, the last time you went to the dead, you almost lost your life. And now again? What if they ask you for your life? What would you do? Are you willing to give up your life just because you want to bring Dombra down?
What would you rather have me do? He has killed everyone I call family. Am I supposed to wait till he kills me?
No. But it's not enough reason for you to want to lose your life just because you want him down. Yes, Dombra can be immortal. But I know that he has a weakness. The thing we should do now is to know that weakness and use it against him. Just as he has done to you. Sister, this right here is the way to win, not you losing your life.
We have completed the night's ritual. I hope you understand everything.
Yes. I have surrendered myself completely to the goddess. I will be forever immortal under her protection, above all humans, like a demigod.
So shall it be.
I shall not see any other woman except the goddess.
So shall it be.
Boss, please don't kill me, boss. Boss, please spare my life, boss. I swear to God, I never sold you out or betrayed you, boss. Please don't kill me.
No, you didn't. You became my enemy. That is what you did the day you decided to abandon me and go for a woman. Now how are you feeling? Playing house with her while I battle for my life.
Boss, please have mercy on me, boss. I swear to God, have mercy on me, boss.
How did you feel?
Boss, I'm so sorry, boss. I'm so sorry. I was not strong enough to protect you. Neither do I wish to be stronger than you, boss. Please, boss, please, for the sake of my unborn child, please spare my life.
Not your child, Samuel. You see your child fate the day you abandoned me. You see his fate as an orphan. If I let him live, you never know how his father looks like. If I'm mercy for him, I will raise him like my hunting dog to do my work for me. Or I could kill him so that he will not find out that I killed his father and come for revenge. Did you understand?
Yes, boss. Please have mercy, boss. Please, boss. I've always been a loyal boy to you, boss. Please spare my life.
Me.
Boss.
I'm going away breathing like that. Anya, where are you? Come out here! Don't let me find you. I have killed Samuel. Need to kill the child. Do not want the clueless child to know the consequences of this layout. Why are you quiet? Well, is this the moment of truth that you want to initiate? To beg and ask me to forgive for everything?
The truth is, I'm not here to end the war. I'm here to make the war about us.
kindly leave Nonye and her child out of this drama.
Well, crocodile does not explain to a goat whatever he tends to do. Whatever is going on between me and Nonye is personal, just like yours.
The lion would never leave hunting for antelope for a lizard. Why are you hunting lizard when you have me the antelope? Hunt me. Let her be. Once again, I said, focus on me and leave Nonye and her child.
So, if I agree, what do you intend to give?
You already know what I will give. I'll surrender myself to you and you do with me whatever you wish.
That's the problem. Always having this heroine complex. Seeing yourself as the one who pays the price for everybody. Sacrificing yourself for everybody. Calling it bravery, but that's stupidity. Life didn't teach you that who sacrifices himself for anyone, that when he dies, those things doesn't matter. Because he who dies lost everything.
Donatus, am I supposed to take life lessons from you? You that lack integrity, morals, feelings? I was dazed when you told me you're a leader of a gang. And I'm like, what kind of leader are you? Because I know you are the most selfish person on earth. You cannot sacrifice anything for anybody. I'm sure your people will be able to lay their lives for you. But can you do the same? The answer is no. My girls are my soldiers and they are my sisters. And I swear to protect them till life do us part. Somebody like you who does not know anything about obligation and morals cannot brag the same way.
Yeah, hallelujah, you've said enough. Come to my home tomorrow. Considering that you're sacrificing yourself. I never knew that you have been fighting shadows all through, hiding under this mask to fight me. But no problem. Because it's unfortunate, because I'm planning to kill you. But a victory is still a victory. Tomorrow we end this.
Tomorrow, Dombra.
You don't have to throw your life to save me. I don't deserve it.
Boss, please. She's already carrying Samuel's child. For the sake of the unborn child. The child is innocent. Just let it go, please.
Noya, this is bigger than you. I have to wager this for all of this to end. If I don't end this, Dombra will not stop.
Okay, so let me guess. What happens at the end? It's either you die or he dies. Now that you have lost all your powers, the street is clamoring Dombra is immortal because he has traded his manhood for the powers.
Truthfully, it's an unfair fight, considering the fact that I've lost my power and his gift of immortality. But before any gift is given, there will be consequences. What if we find out what the consequence is and use it against him?
Sounds like you have a plan.
No one goes to the jungle of lion without having a plan to survive from their attacks. I love how you're enjoying whatever you're drinking, as if you're going to die.
Celebrating your impending death. Never knew you would show up. I thought you ran away.
I'm not a coward. I've never been one. You might think you're the man with the ball, but I am the woman with a bigger ball. I've always been like that.
I can't believe you still have this boldness. Even when I know that you have no powers. And I heard you are contaminated with snake venom. The sanctuary abandoned you, but I warned you.
Why did you do it? Remember this moment, Dombra. It's the last time you will ever feel taller than me. You mistook the beginning for the end of the game, and you will pay for it.
I'll never find any woman since you left. I was thinking you'd be living in hiding instead of making me your enemy.
Why did you do it? Greed? Or the fact that you don't like to share? Why?
It's not about greed, it's not about money. It's the fact that you want to make me the king. And because the most powerful person after the king is the kingmaker, which is just to be, and that is just like a god. And there can never be a king outside a kingmaker, so you have to go. You made me feel small and incapable. I could not have you around if I want to be the king of the streets. And there can be only one king in the streets, and that is me.
Unfortunately, you allowed your selfishness make you kill the woman you love. You were weak, but when you got your strength, you showed it by killing me. How brave, Donatus.
Stop, Brown. You're my witness. And to get rid of that witness, you have to go. How do you choose to die? Slowly or painful?
I decide how I die, Donatus, not you.
Sacrificed everything for me. I wish you could come back to life to rule beside me. Bibiana, could you be so hateful? To kill yourself just to torment me. Just want to torment me forever. Bibiana! Bibiana!
Editor, insert SFS, power living in vapor, vanish.
We have completed the night's ritual. I hope you understand everything.
Yes. I have surrendered myself completely to the goddess. I will be forever immortal under her protection, above all humans, like a demigod.
So shall it be.
I shall not see any other woman except the goddess.
So shall it be.
You did this. You took advantage of my lingering feelings just to exploit me.
What is that I'm hearing in your voice? You want to play the victim. The master of tricks like you want to play the victim? I'm asking you. I just took a page out of your journal. And here you are, acting like the victim. Let me tell you something. You will pay for all the pains you've caused me. You will pay for killing my brother. You will pay for killing my mentor. You will pay for attempting to kill me 3 years ago. Enough.
Oh, please, don't do this. Don't do this, please. You know I still have feeling for you. Sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't do this. You know how much I love you. You know you still have feelings for me. Don't do this. Don't do this, please.
Even in your afterlife, you will not know peace. I've made all the preparations for you girls to start a new life. We all can't continue like this. You've seen how we lost our beloved ones on the street of war and crime.
What then happens to the Serpent Sisters gang? Will it still exist?
It depends on all of us. We all made it exist. If we want, we can stop making it to exist. I am certain you wouldn't want to bring your child to this world of uncertainty, filled with fears, the fear of the unknown. I know this is not the life you want for yourself or for your unborn child. We all deserve better.
Madam Rebecca would turn in her grave. That woman gave everything to make sure this sister would strive. This is a fortress for the young girls, a place to call home.
The young girls can come. The difference here is that we are not going to give them guns and we will not expose them to danger. Even Madam Rebecca knows that this is never the life I wanted to live. It is that quest for revenge that brought me to this lifestyle. I never liked it. But because she loves me, she trusts me, she believes I can handle the power. That was why she handed it over to me. Knowing that I will take care of the sisters and every girl that comes our path. Going forward, I want us to start a new life, turn new leaves, maximize our potentials and do something tangible with our lives other than fighting, doing so many things we will not be proud of. I wish you girls well. The Serpent Sisters ceases to exist from today.
Bibiana, you are my sister, my friend, my blood, everything I want and more. I don't have anywhere else to go to. Please, let me stay here with you.
I also don't have anywhere else to go. You both are the family that I know. Please, let me stay with you.
Imagine two adults sounding like babies, including the pregnant one. Okay, it's fine. We are nothing without families. So, you all can stay here. This is also your home.
Ah!
What? What?
My water just broke.
Jacqueline, get the car key.
The baby is coming!
So soon. Don't worry, put yourself together. Fast with the car key! Sorry.
There is trouble in the street. There is danger in the hood. Too much tonight. There is trouble in the street. Enemy in the borderline. Too much tonight. There is trouble in the hood. Too much tonight. Everybody fighting to survive in the street. Guys, se pasa nombre. Ochia de rafanese. Icho darenyagia. Icho no fenyagia.